Stress. How does stress affect hiatal hernias or acid reflux or GERD? Well, that is a great question. Stress has such a profound effect on the body, and stress can come from three different things, basically. We break it down into three categories: emotional stress, chemical stress, physical stress, okay? Emotional stress, anything that creates emotions. It could be going through a difficult relationship, a divorce, having difficulty with kids, a troubled child, whatever the case may be. Work, pressures at work, difficulty with a coworker, a boss, that's emotional stress. Chemical stress, there's a ton of that in everything. The air we breathe, carpets, what they make buildings out of, our food, our preservatives, additives, pesticides, all of that creates chemical stress, okay? Then you have physical stress, and physical stress would be acid reflux, hiatal hernia. It's physically your stomach herniating up through your diaphragm, meaning it's a physical stress. Now, physical stress could be back pain. It could be having to sit all day at work, or having to work a heavy labor job in a weird or awkward position. That's physical stress on the body. It could be headaches, tension headaches, carpal tunnel syndrome. These are all physical stresses on the body. Regardless of the stress that you're dealing with, stress does so many things that are problematic. It increases your cortisol levels, which are hormones in the body. And those hormones create all sorts of other problems I'll get into in a second. Stress response increases cortisol, catecholamines, your heart rate increases, blood pressure increases, your blood glucose also increases, insulin resistance also increases, breathing increases, right? When you get nervous, you start breathing heavy, and then bone loss. Yes. So when you have constant stress hormones in the body, over time, that will create bone loss. And guess what? So does medication for hiatal hernia, acid reflux, GERD. One of the biggest side effects is osteoporosis, okay, or bone loss. So now you're just doubling it up if you're really stressed out all the time, especially if you have all three stresses, okay? So those are some of the things that it increases. So a lot of people ask me, does hiatal hernia or does stress aggravate a hiatal hernia? Yes, it does, because that stress can pull that stomach upwards, right? It tends to drive or pull upwards, and stress can also cause the muscles to tighten up, go into spasm, create postural changes, abdominal changes. So yes, stress is a problem for people that suffer from hiatal hernia. We all have stress. It's all about how you handle and deal with the stress. The emotional stress, that's what psychologists are for. Okay. Now, whether you need medication or not, that's up to the psychologist and you to decide. Okay. Some people need that, unfortunately. And then the chemical stress. There are things that you can do about that. Washing your fruits and vegetables, putting an air purifier in your home, buying a reverse osmosis or a water purifier to drink cleaner water. These are all things you can do to mitigate your chemical stress. And then, of course, physical stress, go see a chiropractor. Especially if you have a hiatal hernia, but not just any chiropractor fixes that. So I did come out with a patent. You can get the reflux shield to pull the stomach down. So if your physical stress is just a hiatal hernia, you can address that by going to refluxshield.com. If your physical stress is back pain, see a chiropractor. Neck pain, see a chiropractor. If it's your insulin levels, well, remember, we just spoke about how it increases insulin resistance. So all of these things can be mitigated. All these stresses can be mitigated, including a hiatal hernia. I hope that helps you link or create a link between hiatal hernia, acid reflux, and GERD, and stress, and how the two are linked together. Hope that helps. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.